Hey, let's dive into how to add custom variables from Make. I'll walk you through step by step. Let's start by parsing the JSON. Simply click on Parse JSON. You'll need to add the scripts. This is the same script, like adding a new section. In this, we have added the syntax for custom variables. Add the custom variable's name here that you want to see in your proposal. Now let's move on to the next step, aggregate to JSON. Here, you can add the item names. For this, you can follow the Add New Section video tutorial. The next step would be Parse JSON. Next step would be Array Aggregator. The final step will be Prospero module, Create a Proposal. Here, you have to add the connection to your Prospero account. Enter your email and password of your Prospero account. Now add the details such as proposal type, project name, client name, email ID, syntax for adding section. Now go to Add Custom Variable and add the variable name, the name which we also added in the section, and its value, and click OK. Now run the scenario. You can go to your Prospero account and open the proposal to check if the custom variable is added. You can go to Variables under Elements, open it, and scroll to the end to see the new custom variable added. Also, we added the custom variable in the section. I will now remove the variables from the section. In this way, we will show you to add just the custom variables. Now adding another variable under Add Custom Variable. Run the scenario. Opening the proposal to check the new custom variable. And that's the new variable we added now. You can copy it and add to anywhere in your proposal. Thank you for watching.